Welcome to the final episode of our reporting series. Today, we're talking about predictive and prescriptive reporting. We've seen how reporting tells us what happened. Now it's time to ask, what's likely to happen next? And what should we do about it? That's where predictive and prescriptive reporting step in. Predictive reporting uses past data and AI to forecast future outcomes. It answers questions like, will we hit our SLA targets next week? Which agents are at risk of missing KPIs? Prescriptive reporting takes it further. It recommends actions, like shifting resources, retraining agents, or sending alerts. So you don't just see a problem, you solve it before it happens. Over time, these systems learn and get sharper. The more you use them, the better they guide you. AI now builds in recommendations, flagging issues, suggesting actions, even forecasting outcomes. It's like having a virtual analyst in your corner. This is the future of reporting, predictive, prescriptive, and fully AI-driven. From guessing to knowing. From reacting to leading. That's a wrap. Ready to transform your reporting? Enthu.AI's got you covered with smart, effortless insights.